Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import and export the contacts in your MEIZU M6T. To this operation, go here to your phone. Now tap the contacts on the upper side, 3 dots on the right corner, settings, now contacts management, and you can import from the local, import from another phone, import from SIM card, and of course export contact where you want. For now I'm gonna import from my SIM card some contacts like this. Export to phone, import completed. So our phone has now already the contacts here in our phone. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!